There have been great men who have led our proud country time and again to keep her free and on course against any force that has threatened all that she stands tall for since independence won, preventing what could be undone, that has been sustained by asking Congress's consent on orders that meant many of our brave might die, even in the face of what others might say, and losing the next race to remain the leader of the USA. And while a look back in history is the test for who is among the best in all that was done by each one, is what I've seen you accomplish and hold true that makes me so proud to call you Mr. President aloud.